Come again. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can actually write research reports or any kind of report in a more structured way, right? Let's say you are tasked to write a report and your leader or the person leading you has instructed you to visit, has given you the list of websites you should go to, right? So you're not at liberty to use ChatGPT or AI Studio or any AI tool, and then you give the AI tool the prompt, and then the AI tool goes to the internet and gets information. So at that moment, you find out that instead of copying, come to one website and you copy and paste. So what you're going to do is that you're going to copy the URL of each of these websites, right? So let's say this website and the website that have been given to you to extract your information from. So you come here, you copy the URL, including the share URL of the YouTube video, right? And then you come back to Google AI Studio. Now the tool we are going to be using is called the URL contest tool. So what this one does is that it fetch information from the web link that you're going to provide it. So by the time you want to use it, you have to come to this place and you click on this URL contest. Now the reason why this approach is very good is because you are in charge of the information you are giving to the AI, unlike other approach whereby the AI will determine, even with your prompts, we still have its way to extract the type of, the website is going to visit. But with this approach, you can literally feed this AI to your data, and then it will give you an output, your desired output. So I've already come here, I've copied my URL, right? Then I'll come back to this prompt. Now this prompt will be made available at the description of this video. Okay, so I paste it. Now look at the prompt. You are a world-class business strategist and research analyst. Your goal is to synthesize complex information into clear, actionable, and well-structured report for a busy executive. So this is the URL it's going to use, and the structure: executive summary, the key findings and data points, SWOT analysis, implications, potential basis for, and counter argument. So we are going to copy this prompt, right? I'll come back to Notebook LM. Come back to Google AI Studio. Now remember why we chose this approach, right? Because it's going to fetch its data from the URL we gave to it, right? And it's so good. Okay, so let's wait for it while it does its thing. On the screen you can see that it took 37 seconds to arrive at its answer, right? So you can actually click on this particular button to see the thought pattern, how it went about to address our question, right? It gives you insight to what is happening. So, but look at our reports. We already have our reports here: the executive summary, the key findings, the SWOT analysis, the implication and actionable recommendation, the potential biases, and then the counter argument. Now you discover that all this information is based on the data we provided it, right? So this is very different from what you do with ChatGPT and every other ones. This is very structured and very detailed. So there is no form of hallucination. The hallucination here is very low. There is no form of let's say misinformation. You understand? So everything here is well structured and very good. In fact, I prefer this method because the LLM will no longer guess or write URL that does not exist. Everything here is legit because I fed it my data. So that's one of the ways you can do quality research using Google AI Studio. Now if you are really interested, we have a program, Master AI for Research and Data Analysis. So in this program you're going to learn how to use generative AI to supercharge your research and data analysis. So basically you're going to improve your data analysis skills, you're going to improve your research analysis skills, right? So we're going to be leveraging Notebook LM, Gemini AI Studio, Gemini app, and also Google Colab for data analysis. So it's a well-structured program, and you don't need to be a super analyst for you to take this program. You just need to be ready, and then you get hands-on training. Now remember that the person that is using AI will replace you. AI will not replace anybody, but the person that is using AI will definitely replace you. So I encourage you to make out time to subscribe for this training. Thank you very much.